Hi everyone, my name is Michael King. I'm doing a guest spot for Raval Govinder on his YouTube channel, and welcome back to the third part in this series on the new features in ES6. Today we're going to be learning about default and spread parameters. So on the screen at the moment we have just a basic JavaScript function, and this is how you would have to do default parameters if you weren't using ES6. So if we're calling the foo function, we have the parameter of x, and we have to do a line like this, which is basically saying use x or use 10. This isn't a very good way of doing default parameters, so in ES6 you can write this a different way now. We can just remove this bit completely, and we can just do x equals 10. And if we run this code, it will just log the default parameter as we would expect. This is really basic, and it's quite surprising JavaScript didn't already have this, but it's good to see it in ES6. Another new feature in ES6 is the spread operator. This allows you to pass multiple parameters into a function, but you don't need to define all of them in the signature. And I'll show you a little bit of how that works. So we'll define a new variable called y, and we'll use the spread operator. Now the spread operator is just 3 dots and the name of the variable. So let's have a look if we pass some parameters to the foo method, how this behaves. So you can see here we're passing 3 parameters, but we're only defining 2 in the method signature. If we log x, like we're doing at the moment, we'll see 10, as we would expect. If we log y, then we see 20 and 30. Now what this is doing, because we're using the spread operator, it's collecting all of the parameters that are coming after it, and we can access that as an array within our function. And this is just a pretty cool thing to use if you need to pass multiple parameters into your method, but you don't know how many parameters you're going to need. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something, and please join me in the next video.